Okay. I gotta zoom in. How you zoom in?
Magic Trick Live right in front of us.
It's crazy how you call that, bro.
I know. Well, I was like having to think he's got to be. Why else would he be dressed like that?
Oh my God, dude, this go on the YouTube channel. This is an
TikTok.
actual magician at freaking Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, he's driving this Soul right here. I wish I could name drop him.
He actually doing tricks. If only I could zoom in.
That's wild.
And do I say my logo? I'm gonna say it anyway. No talk, guys. We back with another video. Check it out. A magician at Dunkin' Donuts. Random video. Random video. This is the most random I ever did.